So the number one reason that I see businesses not converting leads to sales is they don't ask. So often people think they are asking for the sale and they're not. What do you think is not asking for the sale at all? And often they go to all the work, they generate the lead, they talk to the customer, but they never ask them. And one of the most simple questions which comes from 10X principles is, have you heard or seen enough to make a decision? It's such a simple question, but it gets you a yes or no, and it will move the needle towards that. So number one is 80% of people don't ask for the close. They don't ask for the sale at all. That is the number one reason. The other one is that most people don't actually put a proposal in front of someone. They don't actually present anything to them in order to be able to even close. Are you presenting offers to people who are interested in your product? And that's another thing that people often do. And then I think the third thing is a mindset thing. People often don't see themselves as a salesperson. Yep, I'm a creative, or I'm a consultant, or I work in a cafe, or I do this or I do that. Like everything is sales. Everyone is selling all the time. You're selling yourself on your ideas all the time. You're selling other people your ideas all the time. If you have a partner, you're selling them your ideas. Sales, it's moving the mindset of sales as that icky car salesperson to sales is actually a service, because if you aren't getting your product or your service into the hands of your customers, how are you helping them? So it's that transition mindset wise to accept that you are a salesperson and to kind of let go of all of this old perception of what sales is, because it's not like that anymore. You can do very authentic sales without all that.